Hey guys, today on CandyToyBox, I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped cake in the air fryer. Well, really, you can make it any shape you want because we're going to make a DIY cake pan. So first, it's time to make the pan. So you can take a long piece of tin foil and make the outline of the shape that you want to do. Here we did a heart. And then you can use another piece of foil to go over it again to make the sides taller. And then after the sides are tall enough so the batter won't spill over when it rises a little bit while baking, then you want to take a big flat sheet and lay it on top of your shape, and then you can gently push it down flat and up against the walls of your shape so that it makes a pan, or like a shaped bowl, if you would. That way your batter doesn't spill out. See, like that, looking good. Get your box of cake mix and mix it up according to the instructions on the back of the box. So add your eggs, your oil, your water. I always beat the eggs up first and then add in the cake mix. I feel like it makes it easier to mix. But mix it however you would like. Make it sure it's mixed up really well. Made your cake mix, and then I always grease my pan just to make sure that it doesn't stick. And then you're ready to put in the cake mix. Make sure it's well mixed and there's no lumps. I put a little bit too much cake mix in this one, so you can put quite a little bit less because mine rose quite a bit, which you'll see. But I put the air fryer on 350 just as you would with an oven, and it's ready to bake. Now, depending on your shape and the thickness of your cake, and just the way you make your pan, everything, you'll have to watch the cake to see when it's done because the times will vary. I mean, you can start out by giving it a good 9 minutes, and then after that you're going to want to check it a couple times. Here we did the toothpick test. Remember, if it comes out clean, then it's done. Ours, the first time, needed a little bit longer. It was hard to see. But the second time, it was done. So, ta-da! Hope you guys enjoyed this video from CandyToyBox. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe. And we hope you have a wonderful day. CandyToyBox, peace out.